This is a stability ball, hip thrust on the stability ball. I'm going to roll out till my head and shoulders are on the ball and my hips are suspended up off the floor. So I'm going to walk out till my head and shoulders are on the ball, hips are up, making a tabletop. And to do the hip thrust, we're going to drop our hips straight down towards the floor and then lift up back to that tabletop position. If we want to add load, we can place a dumbbell or dumbbells in our lap, a weight plate, a sandbag, kettlebell, anything that's going to provide us load. It can also be a barbell if you have those. That will all give you some resistance as you go through your hip thrust.